Some people want it to happen, some wish it would happen, others make it happen. Yes, nothing in this world can be achieved without dedication, commitment, and perseverance. A very good morning to one and all. On behalf of our principal, Sister Manju, the manager of Clooney PU College, Sister Josephine, teachers and students, I extend a warm welcome to you all to witness this installation ceremony of Students' Council 2020-21. Every auspicious occasion commences with the lighting of the lamp. Light symbolizes God's divine love and victory over darkness. Let us begin this solemn ceremony by lighting a lamp by Sister Manju and Sister Josephine.
This little guiding light of mine, I'm going to let it shine. This little guiding light of mine, I'm going to let it shine. This little guiding.
Thank you, sisters. A leader takes people where they want to be. A great leader takes people where they don't necessarily want to be but ought to be. I am indeed very proud to announce the Student Council members of 2020-21 of Clooney PU College.
Now, let us raise our hearts and minds to God our Father, asking Him to guide and lead us to the harbor of success.
We are calling upon you today for your divine guidance and help to make this investiture ceremony a success. O Lord, bless the newly elected leaders to face the challenges courageously. Give them the wisdom, courage, and perseverance to do what is good. We ask that you guide them with your infinite wisdom. O Lord, the source of all our gifts, you have called these leaders to serve in a special way in our college. Grant us the light of your Spirit to guide them and their responsibilities. May they listen to one another in a spirit of genuine respect. May they encourage and develop one another's unique talent. May they use the gift of the Spirit in a creative leadership. May they approach their decision making through discernment and prayer. May they respond and support the students they represent. O Lord, help them to respond as a senate and guidance of the Spirit in their hearts. All this we ask through Christ our Lord. Amen.
A reading from the Holy Bible. Where there is no guidance, the people fall, but in abundance of counselors there is victory. Let nothing be done through selfish ambition, but in lowliness of mind, let each esteem others better than herself. Let each of you look out not only for one's own interest, but also the interest of others. Let your eyes look straight ahead, fix your gaze directly. Give careful thought to the paths for your feet, and be steadfast in all your ways. Speak up and judge fairly. Defend the rights of the needy. Do not withhold good from those to whom it is due, when it is in power of your hand to do so. Above all else, guard your heart for everything you do, as it flows from it.
A reading from the Holy Bhagavad Gita. ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಶಸ್ವಿಯಾಗಬೇಕೆಂದರೆ ನೀವು ಜ್ಞಾನ ಮತ್ತು ಶಿಸ್ತನ್ನು ಬೆಳೆಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳಲೇಬೇಕು. ಜ್ಞಾನ ಮತ್ತು ಶಿಸ್ತುಗಳು ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಅನಾವಶ್ಯಕ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಗಳಿಂದ ರಕ್ಷಿಸುತ್ತವೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕರ್ತವ್ಯದಿಂದ ದೂರ ಓಡಬೇಡಿ. ಅದರ ಪರಿಣಾಮ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಾಗಿರದಿದ್ದರೂ ಸಹ ಅದನ್ನು ಪೂರ್ಣಗೊಳಿಸಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕರ್ತವ್ಯವನ್ನು ನೀವು ಪ್ರಾಮಾಣಿಕವಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿ. ಅದರ ಫಲಿತಾಂಶವನ್ನು ಭಗವಂತನಿಗೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬಿಡಿ. ಕೇವಲ ಕರ್ಮ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿದೆ, ಫಲ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ.
A reading from Holy Quran. Leadership is an internal part of the life of the human being. Effective leadership brings people together on a common path and leads them towards their desired goal. A good leader transforms the potential of people into reality, guidance, inspiration, support, concern are all qualities of a good leader.
The long-awaited oath-taking ceremony will now begin. I call upon the captains to come forward.
I do solemnly and sincerely promise that I will fairly and impartially fulfill the responsibilities entrusted to me. I will ensure that my actions, behavior, and demeanor provide fine examples of leadership. I will carry forward the good name of our college and strive to live up to our motto, pray and work for the good of the institution and glory of God.
I pledge to show respect and mutual understanding to every student and members of the faculty, to uphold the name and tradition of our college and strive for academic excellence. I hereby swear to be faithful to my duties, to be obedient to the authorities, loyal, just and impartial to my companions, to foster healthy competitions, encouraging my companions to participate in games and other cultural activities in the true spirit of sportsmanship for the honor of our college and glory of God. Hold along. tell for His loving care. Work, it's the struggle to endure. Pray, it's the source of all strength. Pray and work, together we will follow. By Saint Joseph, our patron we know.
I cordially invite Sister Manju to deliver her message.
Good morning, viewers. A warm welcome to our investiture ceremony. Thank you for joining us virtually this beautiful morning to witness our leaders taking up responsible positions in the College Senate. I take this opportunity to appreciate the proud parents of these inducted leaders. As parents, your continued guidance and support is essential and is sure to stand our children in good stead. They learned their first lessons of leadership from their homes, and you definitely are the first leaders they saw. We recognize and acknowledge your support and cooperation. The stars of today are our elected leaders. As leaders, you have donned the mantle of responsibility. The pandemic forced you into a strange academic year. Everything went virtual, and today it is an equally different ceremony that will invest you with your sachets and badges in the safety of your homes. This leadership is a great opportunity for you. A year later, you are sure to emerge with better skills, attitude, confidence, self-esteem, and team spirit. Maintain a positive attitude to responsibilities and rules and ensure it is done in the best possible manner. Let there be no excuses. Take the lead. Keep going, cause only then you will keep growing. As college leaders, you should hold much higher standards of behavior and decorum. Bar is raised high for you. You are our leaders. You require gut and resilience, and your actions will have an impact on your peers in the college. I wish you all the very best, and I believe all of you have a great dynamic spirit in you. Nurture it. Let it bloom to the fullest. Above all, let us not forget the power of the divine. Have a successful and fulfilling year ahead. God bless and thank you.
Thank you, sister. Your words of appreciation and encouragement will surely stimulate the captains to be better leaders. Dear Sister Josephine is well known for her love, care, compassion for students and teachers. Her constant support for the upliftment of the college is tremendous. I welcome you, sister, to wish the newly inducted captains of our college.
Good morning, dear captains. I am happy to see you all that you have been chosen as a captains of this Pew College 2020-21. So I wish you all the best. You do your best. God will do the rest. We will support you in all the ways so that you will come up in bright way. So wish you all the best. God bless you all.
Thank you, sister. Now we have the house mistress and teachers to propose their greetings to our captains.
Leadership is the capacity to translate vision into reality. Good morning, I am Manjula Thuyen, the house mistress of Albatross House. Albatross is a wonderful bird which has a spiritual meaning as a king of the sea. As a living bird, Albatross is a symbolic of innocence, goodness, and even God's love and salvation. It is a magnificent glider capable of staying aloft for us at times without flapping its wings. The message here is to break ourselves from the cycles of self-developed constraints and limitations. A true leader is a symbol of success wherever they are. Leaders create a new path where there was none. It is the greatest leaders who has been pivotal in changing history at different times. Now, I wish to congratulate House Captain Nandana Uni and Vice Captain Anisha Krishnan for their new role as a leader. I am sure that under your great leadership, wisdom and guidance will strive to a much greater heights and achievements. I also wish all the leaders a very success in your duties. Thank you.
With everyone lies an untapped potential. The recording idea here is that happiness is the name you and I give to the achievement of ambition. The momentary fulfillment of a dream is the desire for a long worth success. Why is that? We always celebrate our wins when it is the journey that matters. This journey is going to be a tremendous experience, but not something free of errors. Message to the leaders of the Falcon Group is to have an enlarged vision. The bird falcon is known for its phenomenal vision. Your vision must establish excellence and integrity to help them do their best. Let me remind you of the 4 qualities that your vision must have. Firstly, it should have a broad appeal. Second, it should help create a change. Third, reflect high ideals. And finally, define the ways to achieve them. Each one of you are unique and powerful, so keep moving forward by enlarging your vision, retraining your minds, increasing your confidence, and attracting everything that is good around you. Thank you.
Good morning, everybody. My name is Elsie MP, House Mistress of Flamingo. The word flamingo comes from the Spanish and Latin word flamingo, which means fire. Flamingos are famous for their bright pink feathers, stilt-like legs, and S-shaped neck. They are able to run on water with their webbed feet. I wish all the best to my house captain Ashwati Nair, vice captain Niharika, and all other leaders for your great responsibilities that God has given to you. As a leader, be strong enough to stand alone, smart enough to know when you need a help, and brave enough to ask for it. May God bless you all. Thank you.
Good morning, dear students. Phoenix is a mythological bird which is believed to be regenerating its life. The bird symbolizes renewal in general, but is associated with the powerful elements of nature such as sun and fire. Mythologically, Phoenix obtains new life by arising from the ashes of its predecessors. I am Prajita N, the house mistress of the Phoenix House. I would like to congratulate the house captain Gayatri Nair and vice captain Megha B for having won in the elections. Congratulations to both of you. Great wishes and prayers for all the other leaders who have won in the elections. Thank you.
ಕ್ಲೂನಿ PU ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳ ನಾಯಕಿಯರಾಗಿ ಆಯ್ಕೆಯಾಗಿರುವ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿನಿಯರಿಗೆ ನನ್ನ ತುಂಬು ಹೃದಯದ ಅಭಿನಂದನೆಗಳು. ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿತ್ವ ದೊಡ್ಡದಲ್ಲ, ಪದವಿ ದೊಡ್ಡದಲ್ಲ. ಕಷ್ಟದ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡುವವರು ಯಾವುದು ಸರಿ ಯಾವುದು ತಪ್ಪು ಅಂತ ತಿಳಿ ಹೇಳುವವರು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗಿಂತ ದೊಡ್ಡವರಾಗ್ತಾರೆ ಅನ್ನೋ ಮಾತಿದೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ತಾಳ್ಮೆ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲವೂ ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಗ ವಿನಯ ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆದ್ರಿಂದ ನಾಯಕಿಯರಾಗಿ ಆಯ್ಕೆಯಾಗಿರುವ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿನಿಯರು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನಸ್ಸಿನ ನ್ಯಾಯಾಲಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಮನಸ್ಸಾಕ್ಷಿಯೇ ನ್ಯಾಯಾಧೀಶನಾಗಿರ್ತಾನೆ ಅನ್ನೋ ಅಂಶವನ್ನ ಗಮನದಲ್ಲಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿರುವ ಅವಕಾಶವನ್ನು ಸರಿಯಾದ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸಮರ್ಥವಾಗಿ ನಿಭಾಯಿಸುವಂತ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಆ ಭಗವಂತ ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನೀಡ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಈ ಮೂಲಕ ಶುಭ ಹಾರೈಸ್ತೇನೆ.
एक सच्चे नायक में अकेले खड़े होने का आत्मविश्वास होना है, कठिन निर्णय लेने का साहस और दूसरों की जरूरतों को समझने की काबिलियत होनी चाहिए, क्योंकि नायक कभी भी सही निर्णय लेने में विश्वास नहीं करता, बल्कि निर्णय लेकर उसे सही साबित करने में विश्वास करता है. आपने क्या कहा लोग भूल जाएंगे, आपने क्या किया ये भी लोग भूल जाएंगे, लेकिन आपने लोगों को कैसा महसूस कराया ये बातें लोग कभी नहीं भूलेंगे, क्योंकि यही सही नेतृत्व की पहचान है। नेतृत्व की सबसे बड़ी चुनौती है मजबूत होना, असभ्य नहीं, दयालु होना पर कमजोर नहीं, विचारशील होना पर आलसी नहीं, विनम्र होना पर डरपोक नहीं, गर्व होना पर अभिमान नहीं, हंसमुख होना पर मूर्ख नहीं। क्लूनी कॉन्वेंट पीयू कॉलेज के सभी नवचयनित कप्तान और प्रत्येक दल के नायक को मेरी हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं और लक्ष्य प्राप्ति के लिए दिल से आशीर्वाद। आगे बढ़ते रहो, बस यही अरमान। आशा की ज्योति जलाए, निराशा और अंधकार में न डूबे, निरंतर प्रयत्न करें और हमेशा प्रसन्न रहे।
Thank you, teachers. I welcome Miss Nityashri, the college president, to share her words.
Leaders become great not because of their power, but because of their ability to empower. Regards to everyone present here. First of all, I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to everyone who trusted us. I believe leadership is the capacity to transform vision into reality, and we believe in your vision and do everything we can to transform it into reality. Leadership is not a title. It is a behavior, and we promise to live it. It is rightly said that with authority comes responsibility, and I assure you that my team and I will work hand to hand for the day-to-day functioning of the college. Let's all take Clooney Convent PU College to greater heights by functioning together with unity and trust, and see its flag flutter high with pride. Thank you.
Thank you, Nitya. Miss Babita Balan will now propose a vote of thanks.
Behind every successful event lies the manifold efforts of our committed sisters, teachers, and students. I would take this opportunity to thank Reverend Sister Josephine, our manager, for her constant support and immense contribution for the development of this institution. It is important that we acknowledge the unconditional love and support given to us by our dear principal, Sister Manju, who always inspires us with her great zeal and dedication. I take this moment to thank the teachers and support staff for their valuable contribution in making this ceremony a success. A special thanks goes out to our IT head Mustafa sir for helping us in all technical related aspects. I would also like to extend my deepest appreciation to the freshly inducted captains for their cooperation. Last but not the least, I would like to thank God the Almighty for all His blessings. Thank you.